Listen, first there was Taylor. Y'all sold that one out. I still have not found that brick color. So I did the next best thing and I got what I hope is a dupe-ish. So thank you so much to Ebonyline .com for sending out this unit and sponsoring your girl once again, boo. So if you want to see how your girl came out looking like a Easter basket on Easter Sunday, let's get into it. I seriously can't wait to do this dress haul. But anywho, let's get into Miss LDP Curve 2, baby. I did see this unit on Kai Rashawn. She did the color that I was curious about for the longest. And girl, I was just too chicken to pick it up. But baby, I ain't no punk no more. Okay, Motown Tress, I see what you trying to do, boo. So beautiful cap construction. You know, it does fit really nice. The part lays super flat, baby. You ladies that see me use my hot comb just to flatten it out just a little bit more. I curved the part just a little bit. I know under the slights the part looks okay. Realistically, I would open it just a tinge, okay? Beautiful texture. Does have, like, you know, a nice soft yaki feel to it. Really wasn't feeling, you know, those bumped ends, especially with them being so long. I check it. If you know, you know. On this channel, anytime we make a cut to any of these units, sometimes don't always turn out the way we want it to. Sometimes it goes left. But I took the chance anyway. I went in with my shears first. I started to snip the ends. Then, of course, I used my flat iron to get rid of that dang bend, baby. And I'll just let you see for yourself. Alright ladies, just a couple of specs that I forgot to mention in case it wasn't clear. This unit is by Motown Tress and it is in the style LDP Curve 2. It is a synthetic unit and I do have it in the color 1B Peakaboo. Baby. Now keep in mind this is a synthetic unit as I mentioned, and guess what, sis? Under $40. $35.16 to be exact, boo. Now I do feel that the 1B on this is just a tinge too dark for my liking. I would have liked to seen a lighter shade of black. Hey, lighter shade of black, isn't that a song? Anyhow, so I definitely would have liked to seen a lighter shade of black with this unit, but yeah, girl. I don't have the card in front of me, but I do believe that this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Tread very lightly, sis. This is synthetic. You can go ahead and apply that heat if you want to, but
Yeah, baby. She gonna shine bright like a diamond.
This unit's been around for a minute, so the style was starting to look a little dated. So I did update it, just snipped the ends and tried to straighten it. I think color concept, great. Style is great. Execution, not so much. I do wish, you know, maybe I'm just, you know, really wanting that Taylor vibe. Baby, I really wanted that Taylor effect with this unit. It's okay, but it is falling a little flat for me, especially in the back. It's more of just like a piano of the mixed color. It's not really like a blended back. It's not really like a blended black in the back. Woo! Tongue twister. But other than that, I think this came along really good, especially consider, sis, this is a lace part unit, so you gonna have that wiggy. Look, you gonna have that $20 hairline, okay? And I think I finessed it pretty dang good, if I do say so myself, girl. Here it comes. Damn. Yeah, so I really have no cons. You know, I think the execution could have been a little bit better. Definitely get rid of the bumped ends. But I'm really digging like this business in the front, boo. Party in the back. So if you are interested in picking up this unit by Motown Tress, definitely hit up our friends at Ebonyline .com. Direct link in the description box down below. Thank you so much, ladies, for tuning in to another review. Let's chat in the comments down below. Hit that sub button before you go. Most importantly, share the video with your family, your friends, and your friend of me down the street, boo. Take care of yourselves. Stay tuned for the YouTube shout outs. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
And yep, guess who forgot to sit down and record that shout out? Me, that's who. But what do? We still make it do what it do, boo. So if you made it this far, this is the YouTube shout out portion of the video. I just verbally take the time to thank all of you for tuning in. So if you see your name pop up, it is definitely appreciated for your support. So big thank you to Tracy Sawyer, Shay Sanders, Jim, Shonday, Tootie Gassery, Unica, Dowdell, LaKayla, Edie, Davis 2002, La Quinta, and Lisa's Land. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in to this part of the video. Take care of yourselves, keep loving on yourselves, keep yourself first, and as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.